Welcome back to Balabas Gist. One of the Biafra Liberation Army commander, wey they call Commander Gentle, the guy don't come outside, they come send a message as he launch the new kala where they carry come for them. No be small thing they happen for there. We go play you the video. But the girl where to carry us come here today. They say that the insecurity where they happen for inside Nigeria today. They say that now the politicians and some northerners, we no want better things for inside Nigeria. Now then they cause her. Which we go play one at the video more on a word. I beg may you quickly they share this video as they watch them so that other people go get information and know how it they happen for the matter. First, we go play the video of the Biafra Liberation Army Commander Gentle. Then we go jump inside, come play the other video. May you see what they happen as it they go. Stay tuned and watch the full videos before we come back and continue.
From mad, we are upgrading. We are moving on. Very soon we will be writing it to Gentle Mad. Or Biafra Mad. Okay? We have gotten our engineer, man. This Biafra Mad. We are moving.
I'm close now. I'm close. I'm close, man.
You see, Biafra is moving, man. This is Biafra Ishinko. This Biafra Ishinko. We are moving, man. Yeah, man. It's good. See how it's moving. It's good. Biafra Ishinko. We are upgrading. The God of the land is at work. Trump, your children is moving ahead. Putin, the president of Russia. We are moving. This is Biafra Mad, AK, you see cool? Yeah. We are moving. You see how it is? You see how it is? Original. You see cool from Biafra Mad.
Revelations are emerging on how Nigeria got itself into the current insecurity that has spread to many parts of the country. A former chieftain of the ruling All Progressives Congress, APC, that's Abubakar Kawu Baraje, traced the origin of the current insecurity in the country to the influx of Fulani from neighboring countries like Sierra Leone, Mali, Senegal, Niger, and Chad, brought into the country for election purposes back in 2015. He also backed self-help initiatives of the Southwest governors, stating that responses of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Igboho to the herdsmen menace were necessary because the federal government failed in its principal responsibility to secure life and property. Baraje, who once served as the party's national secretary and chairman of the breakaway faction of PDP, said the Fulani men causing havoc in the country are not aboriginal to Nigeria. Well, to speak more on the allegation of importing Fulani militias from Mali, Sierra Leone, Senegal to fuel insecurity so as to win the 2015 elections, former PDP National Chairman Alhaji Kawu Baraje joins us on Newsday. Good to have you on the program.
Thank you so much.
Haji Kawu, thank you so much for being here. So that was very revelatory, the allegations being made here. I'm just wondering the timing of this revelation and what role you might have played in all of this.
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. I just want to, we are not surprised. I am not surprised because this is the period that political mudslingers will continue to want to cling to the last straw when their own party is sinking. PDP is not sinking. I am not sinking. I am not in APC. And I will never be in APC. What I said categorically was that in 2014-15, in preparation for 2015 elections, all efforts were made to ensure that APC came into power. And as a build-up toward that election, APC never, or some people in APC never thought they were going to win an election. So all manners of scandals were prepared, to ensure that if APC didn't win, then Nigeria may not stay. That was what I said. And the correct thing was carried. And I'm so surprised that some mischief makers are at work. Even last week, they came up to put my name on the record that I am defecting to APC. And I told them that that's their wishes. It is this period that any sinking party will be looking for good character to smear, and not me, Abubakar Kaubaraji. That's my stand.
Now, I'd like to follow up on something that you mentioned earlier. You said that you were indeed with the APC, but that you quickly left before you got your fingers burnt. Can you explain what you meant by that statement?
Yeah. You see, when political parties and associations form alliances, they form alliances based on some agreements. Such agreements becomes operational if such party that was put into focus comes into power. APC was the party that various groups came together to form. And it came around at a time when we had some internal problems in PDP. And I happened to be pushed forward to provide leadership for the group that was coming from the PDP, which was known as the new PDP, the font new PDP. So we were on agreement on certain issues. And immediately we came into power. No sooner that we realized that those agreements were being violated, we have to go back, because we stood for honesty, we stood for fighting for the masses, and the idea that we had before we went to agreement was that the individuals that we were meeting in APC, as they refer to themselves as progressive, the ideas they had was not progressive enough for us. That's what I mean.
All right, Alaji Baraje. Speaking of...
Welcome back to Balaba Gist, my wonderful people. Not forget, say, you still there for Balaba Gist, so as you dey watch, make sure say they share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it dey go. Our own na to bring you ogbenge news as it dey happen. Please share this video. You don't see am now? May you drop your own opinion, so that they go hear am say you talk, because after that they will say you no talk.